In fact, the game loop is what dictates our game. And we control the speed of the game loop to produce smoother animations or faster speeds. We can change the rate of the game loop. And interestingly enough, in Pygame, what we often do is slow down the game loop, not speed it up. Because if we just let the game loop run at its natural pace, it will flip thousands of times per second, not hundreds of times per second. We need to slow it down. Otherwise, the game will be over before the player even realizes what they're doing. So the game loop, every time the game loops, this is sort of the order of things that we go through. So we get user input. Then based on the user input, we update the position of sprites. We draw the background. Then we blit the sprites and objects onto the background. We check to see if anything's colliding. And then we flip the display. Then we use the clock control, which is what controls the speed of the game loop, which basically means we're going to pause for just a little bit. And then we finally check to see if the game has ended. If there's a certain condition, like two things colliding, or you run out of time, or you run out of power, or whatever the game mechanic is the game over? And this is what breaks the game loop. Otherwise, the game loop continues on at somewhere between 120 and 20 times per second until the game ends.